Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Tab Active3. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android. Select I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on Samsung, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. And tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Finally, you can go back to Android device and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're done, and access this type of category which is still locked, tap on Allow a couple of times and then select your files from it. Sometimes you need to also tap on the switcher. After picking all of your files that you wish to send, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and to connect, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!